Now friends, capital balances. If you see that the capital balances, A's capital 80,000, B's capital 50,000 and C's capital 30,000. This capital we have to find out the interest. The interest we have to show partners current account interest on capital by interest on capital, and we have to find out the interest on capital. The capital balances liability side is there 80,000. On 80,000 we have to find out the 5% value. 80,000 we have to find out 5% value. So it is 4,000. Then after that, these 50,000 is there capital. 50,000 capital into 5%, it is 2,500. And C's capital 30,000 into 5% value, it means 1,500. See friends, interest on capital we recorded is 4,000, B's 2,500 and C's 1,500. So this capital how we will got on interest, how we will got by way of capital, opening capital. Now this interest on capital we will record it in our profit and loss appropriation account. We will record it here, profit and loss appropriation account. So here we have to write to interest on capital. Total interest 4,000 plus 2,500 plus 1,500. Total interest 8,000. A's 4,000 was there, B's 2,500 and C's 1,500. The total interest on capital 8,000. We recorded profit and loss appropriation account debit side. I hope you understood what is going on, and whatever adjustment is there, that basis we recorded. Now friends, what we have to do? Now we have to close first trading account. We have to close the trading account. So first of all, you have to close the credit side and find out the total of the credit side. It is 4,82,000. Now purchases, directly we have to put outer column 2,80,000. There is no adjustment. Now total of debit side, total of the debit side. Yes, you can. It is 3,22,000. Now we have to find out the balancing figure. The balancing figure that you have to find out. How we will find out? Debit, this credit total minus debit total, you will get the balancing figure. 4,82,000 minus 3,22,000. Balancing figure 1,60,000. 60,000. It is considered as a 2 gross profit carried down. To gross profit carried down. Yes, yes. Am I audible? आवाज येतोय?
हा सर.
हो सर येतोय.
हो येतोय येतोय.
Okay, okay. Mute करा. I hope you understood. The debit ची total 4,82,000 was there. Credit total 3,22,000 was there. The credit ची total 4,22,000 and debit total 3,22,000. So credit total minus debit total, rest of the value, gross profit. Gross profit. इथे आपण tally म्हणून 4,82,000 we have to put. Now friends, now this gross profit we will transfer to partners profit and loss account credit side by gross profit brought down amount 1,60,000. You see that this gross profit we transfer to partners profit and loss account credit side. Okay, the gross profit debit side trading accounts gross profit we will transfer to profit and loss account credit side. After recording gross profit, then after that we have to find out the profit and loss account balance. We have to find out the profit and loss account balance. Yes, find out the total of profit and loss account. It's a credit side total 1,60,000. What about the debit side total? How much will be the profit to net profit carried down? Yes, can you find out the profit? Debit total, whether you got the debit total, SUM. It is 1,13,800. More credit total मधून debit total less करा, so you will get the net profit. 1,60,000 minus 1,13,800. So net profit 46,200. Net profit 46,200. Yes, I hope you understood. This is a net profit we got. After getting net profit, Net profit also transferred to partners profit and loss appropriation account by net profit brought down net profit brought down 46,200. See friends, where we will transfer, it is profit and loss appropriation account. Yes. Oh, Varjuta, Suhas, they got this. Abhishek also got net profit. Now, net profit transferred to partner's current account. Now, you have to close partner's current account. Profit and loss appropriation account, you have to close first. So, 46,200. Here also 46,200. So, debit totally you have to deduct. So, rest of the value will come. It is how much? 46,200 minus 8,000, rest of the value 38,200. So it is considered as net profit, net profit and transfer to part, partners current account. Transfer to partners current account. Who is a partner? Partner A, then partner B, and partner C. Partner A, partner B, partner C. Now, profit sharing ratio they are provided. Profit sharing ratio they are provided. If you see the our question, they are provided the profit sharing ratio, that is profits and loss were to be shared A 5, B 3 and C 2. A 5, B 3, C 2. So this will be the 5 is to 3 is to 2. 5 is to 3 is to 2. So we will write here A, B, and C, and their profit sharing ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2. Now distribute this 38,200 as per their profit sharing ratio. Yes, many students got the 38,200. In that, Abhishek, Suhas, Kamal, Praveen got the 38,200. Now this amount distributed third. So how we will distribute it? Third, 38,200 into 5 and divide by 10. It is 19,100. Then 38,200 into 3 divided by 10. 11,460. Then 38,200 into 2 divided by 10. It is 7646. Yes, Omkar got the same answers. 19,100, 11,460, and 7640. So here we have to show these particular values. Is net profit 19,100. B's net profit 11,460, and C's net profit 7640. You see that A, then B, and C. We recorded these values of the net profit A, B, and C. Now this net profit we will transfer to partner's current account. This net profit, whenever it is transferred, so it will be, it is debit side is there, so it will be credited by by profit and loss appropriation account, and we will write the net profit of the A 19,100, B 11,640, and C 7,640. After recording this, we have to close ABC partners current account. We have to close partners current account. So first of all, we have to close the credit side total, find out the total of the credit side. Yes, C's credit side total 21,140, B's credit side total 22,140, and A's 39,100. From this, you have to deduct this debit side total. So 21,400 minus 7,000. So you will get 14,400. Then after that, here also 22,140 minus 6,000 minus 3,600 minus 400. So you will get 12,140. Then 39,100 minus 7,000 minus 6,000 minus 600. So it is 25,500. And total 39,100. Same total we have to keep 22,140 and 21,140. So I hope you understood this particular balance. We can say that to balance carried down. To balance carried down. See that friends, you have to use the total calculator and then you have to find out. Use your calculator and you have to find out. After recording this, we got this partner's current account balance. Now this partner's current account closing balance we will transfer to balance sheet liability side. Transfer to balance sheet liability side. So we will write here account A is 25,500. Is 12,150 and is 14,400. See friends, all effects are over. All effects are over. Now you have to close. You have to close balance sheet. You have to close the balance sheet. Asset side, you see the asset side 36,000 minus depreciation 1,800 minus depreciation 14,000. Rest of the value is 20,200. Then after that, leasehold premises, additional expenses, write-off value, it is 69,600. Then debtors value 19,000 rest. Then after that, balance at Central Bank 43,700. Closing stock 35,000. Then insurance claim 700. Prepaid rent 2,500. We recorded everything in the balance sheet asset side. Is there any amount remain? You can ask. Then credit side also we recorded. Now you have to find out the total. So you can do easily. Now friends, I don't want to waste your time. Now we will discuss one more sum. We will discuss one more sum to you. You can see the YouTube and you have to tally the balance sheet. Okay. Now we will discuss one more sum. Problem number 10. Problem number 10. Problem number 10. Ram and Sham are partners. Their trial balance as on 31st 12 2017 was as under: debit, building 74,000, machinery 40,000, furniture 20,000, purchases 2,98,000, stock 60,000, wages 65,000, carriage inward 25,000, salaries 40,000, repairs 18,000, commission 5,700, general expenses 30,000, rent and taxes 21,000, bank balance 95,000, cash balance 49,300, debtors 84,000. Then friends, credit side, Ram's capital 90,000, Sham's capital 90,000, sales 6,80,000, creditors 52,000, RDD 3,000, discount 10,000, total of the both the side 9,25,000. Additional information, closing stock was rupees 50,000. Sham has taken goods worth rupees 5,000 for his personal use, for which no entry has made in the books. Wages outstanding were rupees 6,000 and tax paid in advance rupees 2,000. Depreciation was to be provided at 10% per annum on machinery and 5% per annum on building and 15% per annum on furniture. Write-off rupees 2,000 as a bad debts and provision for doubtful debts is to be increased to rupees 5,000. Goods costing rupees 2,500 have been stolen, but no entry was passed in the books for the same. Prepare a trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2017 and balance sheet as on that date. See, friends, this is a particular problem. Here, two partners are involved, and name of the partner Ram and Shah, and they are provided various kinds of detailed information. And on that basis, we will learn how to prepare our problem. Now, we will discuss the debit side item, building, balance sheet, asset side, machinery also, balance sheet, asset side, furniture, balance sheet, asset side, purchases, trading account, debit side, stock stock is a 60,000 amount of stock is there. It is the opening stock, trading account, debit side, wages 65,000, trading account, debit side, carriage inward 25,000, trading account, debit side, salaries 40,000, profit and loss account, debit side, repairs, profit and loss account, debit side. Then after that, commission, profit and loss account, debit side. General expenses, profit and loss account, debit side. Rent and taxes, also profit and loss account, debit side. Bank balance, balance sheet, asset side. Cash balance, debtors, also balance sheet, asset side. The asset side is over. Now come to the credit side. Ram's capital, Sham capital. We have to write balance sheet, liability side. Sales, trading account, credit side. Creditors, balance sheet, liability side. RDD, it is a old RDD. It is a old RDD, less from bad debts. Last problem we have discussed. Discount, it is a credit side. It is a income. It is recorded profit. Please, what is going on? Profit and loss account, credit side. Yes, what's going on? Who is barking now? प्रतीक्षा तोरस कोण आहे तिला हाकलून द्या. Okay, the discount, profit and loss account, credit side, because it is a credit side, it is a income. Okay, fine. Then after that, we have to discuss the little adjustments. Closing stock was rupees 50,000. Now every adjustment has a two effects. So closing stock also have a two effects. The first effect, trading account, credit side. Second effect, balance sheet, asset side. Sham has taken goods worth rupees 5,000 for personal use. Personal use means drawing. The first effect, trading account, credit side, goods taken for personal purpose. And second effect that we have to give, we have to prepare part we are not preparing the partner's current account. We will directly deduct from capital, balance sheet, liability side, less from capital. Wages outstanding. So we have to add it to wages 6,000, and next effect balance sheet liabilities. Tax paid in advance. Paid in advance. It is a prepaid. So prepaid, we have to show rent and taxes. We have to deduct prepaid value, that is advance value 2,000, and second effect balance sheet assets. Depreciation 10%, so less from machinery 10% depreciation, 5% depreciation from building, and 15% depreciation from furniture that you have to deduct. And next effect, profit and loss account, debit side. Depreciation on machinery, depreciation on building, depreciation on furniture. Write off means to remove 2,000 as a bad debts. Whenever the bad debts remove, it is less from debtors. It is less from debtors. And second effect that we have to give, it's how much is there? 2,000. The second effect we have to give profit and loss account debit side. It's a bad debts. It's a further bad debts. And the provision for doubtful debts is to be increased 5,000. It is a new RDD. The less from debtors, and second effect add to further bad debts. Next less from debtors and add to further bad debts. Goods costing rupees 2,500 have been stolen. Stolen means चोरीला जाणे, and no entry was passed in the books for the same. So two entry we have to write. Goods stolen. Stolen goods trading account credit side. Stolen goods trading account credit side. Goods stolen 2,500. Stolen goods, it is a loss. It is a loss. And loss we have to show profit and loss account debit side. The second effect, profit and loss account debit side. That is the goods stolen. Okay, so I hope you understood the all adjustments and all effects. One thing I will clear here, in our problem, gross profit will come, that you have to write gross profit 2,83,500. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट किती येणार आहे? 2,83,500. नेट प्रॉफिट विल कम 1,63,600. 1,63,600. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, बॅलन्स शीटची टॅली टोटल 3,96,600. Balance sheet tally total will be 3,96,600. So friends, you have to try individually. I explain the each and everything regarding the trial balance items. I explain the adjustment also. तुम्ही तुमच्या वहीमध्ये हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केला पाहिजे. सर्व काही मी डिस्कस केलेलं आहे. तर सी दॅट आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरला आणखीन काही प्रॉब्लेम बघू. तर हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करा. अगोदरच्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये फक्त बॅलन्स शीटची टोटल काढा. तर आपण ओनली थिंग इज दर यू हॅव टू राईट व्हॉट एव्हर आय डिस्कस. ज्याला कळालं नसेल त्याने युट्यूब वरती जावं आणि परत माझं लेक्चर बघावं आणि प्रत्येक लेक्चर मधले काय काय पॉइंट सांगितलेत, काय काय ऍडजस्टमेंट एक्सप्लेन केल्यात ते रिपीट करावं. तरी समजत नसेल तर व्हॉट्सअप वरती मला क्वेरी विचारावी. आय विल एक्सप्लेन. ओके, तर दिस इनफ. आजचं लेक्चर संपलं. गुड नाईट.